Welcome to day one of this design challenge. And this is the flyer from the Master's Place Church, and we're going to recreate it using our smartphone. Without further ado, let's jump right into the video. So I'm going to begin with a a plain background, white, right? All right. So I'm going to bring in this guy here, which is going to serve as one of the base for our design. All right, so let's adjust it a little. All right, let's adjust the color a little. All right, so this is it. The next thing we want to do is to bring in this guy here. That is the original design, so that we can pick or select colors from the design. So this is the original design right here. So I'm going to bring in this guy here. I'll bring it to the front. I'm going to stretch it out like this, like this, like this, and like this. So when I put it like this, it means it can feel the whole design. I get it that. So I will pick this color here. That is this color. That's what I'll pick, and I'll put it here around that part there. All right, stretch it like this. Take it up a little. Okay, then move it, copy it, put it here around this part here. All right, now if you look very well, copy it, this one here, change the color. If you look very well towards the base here, there is this color at the bottom. All right, so bring it here. All right, then also copy that color and bring it here. All right, if you have done that, that means you have created the background. All right, so let me bring this guy to the front so that we'll see what we're doing. So the next thing you want to do is to get this logo. All right, you bring this guy here like this. All right, then do it like this and put it here. All right, yeah, then you centralize it. Okay, so would also reduce the opacity just a little. All right, so it says here the Master's Place, blah 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 blah. So let's go the Master's Place. So let's write it, the Master's, there's an apostrophe S, the Master's Place International. Okay, apostrophe L Church. All right, okay, like this. Then we can come over here, we choose this guy here. Don't forget to like this video. Okay, I don't know where you're watching from. Still let me know where you are watching from. I'd like to get connected with you. So this is it. Choose the black color. All right, just reduce it like this and put it right there. Okay, so I'm gonna go over here and I'll do this. All right, then the logo, I'm gonna bring it in. This is the logo. All we need to do here is to reduce it and bring a circle. All right, let's bring it to the front. All right, just put it inside the circle like this. All right, okay, then let's merge both of them together. All right, cool. My name is Niyamuda and I hope you're enjoying this tutorial. Don't forget to like this video and share it with a friend. So I'm going to bring it here. I'll just reduce it like that there. I see that there. So just try to centralize it a little. So we're done with that. So the next thing we want to do is to get this guy here that says financial open door. All right, so let's go. So let me begin with the open doors. Okay, so simply put, we're going to get a font. I don't have the exact font that was used there, but I have something that is close to it. I can use this guy here. All right, so just stretch it out like this. Make sure that it is at the middle. All right, 5 minutes is gone. So I'm going to come here, line spacing. I'm going to do this. All right, towards almost the end like this. Then I'm going to line the spacing. I'm going to do it like this. All right, then the color there is okay. So let's just pick the color. There are two colors, all right, for each of these guys here. We can use either ways to do them. So let me show you one of the ways to do it. So let's just go here and pick the color. So we'll pick the down part color like this one here at the bottom, like this. Cool, right? Okay, so we'll just put it there. We increase it. Now it looks like it's not 100% straight, so we can just come over here and just rotate it a little like this. All right, the color is still not dark enough, so I'm going to come over here and just push it here. All right, so we have that. Then there's a white outline that is around it. White outline, so we'll just increase it to maybe this. All right, fine. Then this one here, I'm going to take it to the top, yeah, like this. So it's like that, touching each other like this. All right, so this is what we have here. Then we'll push it here. All right, so I'm going to just get its shape. All right, so there's no need to waste our time to want to create a shape. Let's just use this shape. All right, but you can decide to do yours if you want. So I'm going to rotate it like this. All right, put it there. All right, and use a yellow for it, a yellow color. All right, this is a yellow color. Okay, so that's the place we're going to write the word financial. So we'll put it there. All right, so I'll just come over here, click here, and then type financial there. All right, then we can come over here. Okay, let's use this. Come over here, change color to black. All right, we just stretch it like this and put it there. All right, so then we can bring in the images now. So before that, let's use this guy. Let's just copy it, bring it here, rotate it like this, and just drag it here. Okay, it's too much. Let's put it like this. Okay, so from here we are dragging this guy here. All right, then the colors, we're going to go to gradient. We'll select two colors. All right, so the first color, which is this one here, is going to be this. All right, then the second color here is going to be this. So those are the two colors. So we have it like that there. All right, then we have this guy here. We'll come over here like this. All right, we'll rotate this, just do it like this. All right, just bring it here like this, then bring this guy here. That is a perfect. Okay, so just drag like this. Okay, so try to make it equal like this. Then you can come over here and mesh them together. So that's how we are able to create that shape. All right, 9 minutes is gone. So after that, we can come over here and select the color from the design. So this is it. So just rotate it like this. I'll put it here. All right, okay, so this one will come to the front like that. All right, then we can just put this one a little here. All right, so we can copy this. Okay, so copy it and rotate it like this so that this will come over here. Send it to the send this one to the front, send this one to the front. So this is what we have here. Then we can bring the images of the pastors. So this is the first person's image. We're going to do this. All right, we'll adjust this like this, bring it here and put it there. So let's cut here. So this is all we have. Just adjust it a little. All right, adjust it here. Okay, 1 2 3. Okay, adjust it here. All right. Okay, so we can bring this other picture here. This. All right, so it's looking like I cropped it from the original design. So we're just going to make sure that the edges are equal. So bring this one here also. So we can bring this to the front like this. So the next thing we want to do is to get this shape here. So we can just copy this one. Okay, this. All right, then we'll put it here like this. Okay, so we drag it from here down there and there. All right, so we just change the color to this color here. All right, you can see how the designs and everything is taking shape. So with this guy is going to go down a little. All right, so I'm trying to fix the text. All right, so fix the one for the pastor's name. Then just come over here, all the text, this, then select some point like breaking, bold. So use this, breaking the yoke. Yoke, select this, black and white, we select this, anointing, we select this, poverty, we select this. Alright, so this is what we have at the end of it. So we can just come over here and then use spacing 1 2 3 to just space it a little like this. This is what we want to have. All right, then if you notice that we can do this, just come over here, put this here like this. All right, and then come over here and select that color, this color right here, the light version here. Yep. So all we have to do is to reduce opacity like this. Yeah. Okay, so we'll copy it, also put it here. Yep. So that's what we have. Then we can fix this other guy. So there is a cycle here. There's a cycle here with the date and every other information. Right, so I'm trying to create these shapes. Come here, click this, click opacity like this, and push it like this. All right, change the color to maybe black or something. Then you can reduce the opacity more. Yeah, like this. And bring this here. All right, then you can bring that white to the front like this. All right. All right, so after that we can fix in all the other information right now. So we can quickly move over here, then copy the text from the design itself. All right, so I just want to make it fast, that's why I also copy it like this. Then I move over here. I'll just pick this text like this. I'll bring it straight here. All right. Okay, so let's copy this, cut it. All right, so if this one is going to be the light version, so use this. The color is going to be white, so use this. All right, so we have it here, so it can be here like this. So we can just copy this. What am I doing? Copy and bring this here. Okay. All right, so let's reduce this a little. Then here we can put the phone number here. All right. and put the phone number here. Phone number is going to be bold, so we can just come here, select this one or this. Okay, all right, so that's it. Then we can come here again, copy this and fix it there. That's going to be the website. Okay, so just reduce it very small there, like this. So we can come here and reduce it a little. Okay, so this will take it to the top. Okay, like that. And we'll take this to the top once, like that. Then the other information is going to be at the bottom right there. All right, so we'll come over here and we pick this. So we have this visual platform, blah 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 blah, over there. So you can take your time and fix those ones, but at least you understand the way design was created. Don't forget to like this video wherever you are, and share it. All right, share it with a friend, with somebody that want to learn, right? Because more tutorials are coming. So I'm going to go over here, just highlight this platform and make it yellow. Remember the yellow we used. Okay, so just like that. All right, so there seems to be one guy here, so it's very easy. Come here like this and do this. Just adjust it here, reduce this, bring this down here. Okay, rotate it like this. All right, just bring it here, bring it here, bring it here. All right, so send this to the front. Yeah, send this to the front. All right, still reduce this and then try to adjust it. Then bring the name to the front, this and this. And so here we have it. All right, so don't forget to like this video and share with your friend. My name is Niamuda, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Thank you for watching. Like it, share it, and drop a comment. Let's know where you're watching from, and let me know if you enjoyed this tutorial. Yeah, so when you're done, just click here, save your project with the name of the flyer. All right, and then you are good to go. Thank you for watching. Subscribe.